boys and girls, welcome back to another episode of Heart Teaching. I'm Miss Davis, and today we're not going to do a specific art project. Instead, we're going to talk about an art idea. Every time you touch your art supplies, you need to wash your hands before and after you do your artwork to keep the germs off your art supplies and off your own hands. Okay, so I wrote us a cute little song here to the tune of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, and I'm going to do my best to sing it to you guys. Now, Miss Davis is an artist, not a singer, so bear with me here. Sing with me if you can read the words, and if not, we'll sing it together and learn it together. So here we go. It's called Trickle Trickle Little Stream, and it's to the tune of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So here we go. Trickle, trickle, little stream, half a turn's enough for me. Pump the soap one time or two, rub between my fingers too. Scrub to 20, then I'm done. Paper towels, I just need one. Well, hey, I think I did a pretty good job for an art teacher. What do you think? Alright guys, so I'm going to do a little activity using glitter to kind of show you guys how the germs spread to your art supplies and to anything you touch once you have germs on your hands. So it's very important to wash your hands, and we're going to talk about how to do that today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this to the side, and I'm going to get out a bowl with some glitter. And after I play with my glitter, I'm going to bring this back out, and we're going to learn the song together and learn what each line means. So here we go. Now, you can do this with me if you want. You'll need some kind of bowl. I like glass. I just think it's pretty. And you'll need some glitter. So I've got my pack of glitter here, and I think I'm going to choose green because germs are usually green when you draw them. Okay. So I've got my glitter here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour all of my glitter into this bowl, and I'm just going to kind of rub my hands around in it and start playing with it, almost like I'm washing my hands. But what this represents is the germs that come from maybe when you're outside playing in the dirt, when you go to the bathroom and you get germs on your hand just from touching the walls, touching the floors, you know, touching the sinks. Even the sinks in the bathroom are sometimes germy. So it doesn't matter really what you touch. You need to always wash your hands. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick my hands in this glitter, and I'm just going to play with it. Okay, who thought we'd just be playing in glitter? So here we go. Oh, I must have touched something germy. Look at that. Look at all that glitter. Okay, and I'm just going to keep playing. Maybe I had to pick up my jacket off the floor in the bathroom. Oh, look at all those germs that came from my jacket. Oh, yuck. Okay, maybe then I sneeze into my hand. Let me rub my hand in it. Okay. Oh, I sneeze into my hand. Look at all those germs on my hand. Oh, yuck. And then I'm gonna scratch the back of my hand. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at all those germs that came just from scratching the back of my hand. Now I think I'm gonna I gotta sneeze, so I'm gonna wipe my nose real quick. Oh no, now all these germs are on my nose. And just look how fast all of these germs spread. And you can get germs anywhere. You can get them from a person. You can get them from yourself, from your sneezes or your coughs. You can get them from the bathroom. You can get them pretty much anywhere. Germs are gonna be anywhere, and that's why it's really important to always wash your hands. So look at all those germs all over my hands. Now, I'm gonna set my glitter bowl to the side. And let's say I forgot to wash my hands. Okay, look at all those germs on my hands just from picking up my jacket off the bathroom floor, sneezing into my hand, scratching the back of my hand, wiping my nose. Man, these germs sure are everywhere. Now, let's talk about our Trickle Trickle Little Stream song, okay? I'm just going to get this piece of paper out. Oh no, now the germs are on the paper. What am I going to do? Well, you know we can't see germs, so that's why it's important to wash your hands even if you don't feel like your hands are dirty. Alright, so let's go ahead and we're going to break this song down one line at a time, okay? So the first line, of course, is Trickle, trickle, little stream, half a turn's enough for me. Trickle, trickle, little stream, half a turn's enough for me. So on this first line, it talks about a little stream. not a big stream, because we don't want to waste water. Half a turn's enough for me. So when you turn on your water, you don't want to turn it on big. You don't need that much water. We'll just turn our handle half a turn so that we can save water and not waste. We don't want to waste the water just because we're washing our hands. So those two lines mean that we're not going to waste our water. There's no sense in letting all of that water go down the drain when you have it on big. So we're not going to turn our water on big. We're going to turn it just a little bit, maybe half a turn on our handle. That way we're not wasting as much water as we're washing our hands. We have enough, but we're not wasting. The next line says, pump the soap 1 time or 2. So that line also talks about wasting. We don't want to keep pumping the soap and wasting the soap. You really don't need that much soap. You need enough to cover your hands on the backs, on the palms, in between your fingers, and even your wrists. Ooh, look at all those germs getting everywhere. So pump the soap 1 time or 2 is also about wasting. You don't want to waste your soap. Again, you want to have enough to wash your hands, but you don't want to sit there and keep pumping the soap to play with it. Rub between my fingers too. So that one line is actually about how to wash your hands. That's the only line in this about how to wash your hands. So I'm going to elaborate on that just a little bit. When it says to rub between your fingers, of course you want to interlock your fingers like this and kind of rub between your fingers too. But then you got to think about the tips of your fingers. So we want to get the tips of our fingers when we wash our hands. Okay, get both of them. And then make sure you get the tips of your thumb. Both thumbs. You also want to get the palms of your hands. So I like to kind of take my fingernails and scratch the palms of my hands. That not only gets the palms of my hands clean, but it kind of gets inside my fingernails clean too. And then you want to get the backs of your hands. So I'm going to kind of wipe around my hands and get the backs of my hands real good. And I even want to get my wrists. Sometimes our wrists get dirty, so I'm just going to go ahead and wash my wrists too. So that one line that talks about rub between your fingers too, think about all of this when you sing that one line. So we want to get between our fingers, the tips of our fingers, our palms, our fingernails, and the backs of our hands and our wrists. So just think about all of that when you read this one line, rub between my fingers too. Now, let's get all these germs moved away. Oh, man, I thought I wiped those germs away, but look how many germs left behind. Man, that's a lot of germs. Look at all these germs everywhere. Oh, well, I guess I'll wash my hands later. So the next line says, scrub to 20, then I'm done. Okay, how long you scrub your hands also matters. They say to scrub for 20 seconds, and then you can be done and rinse your hands. So you can either count to 20 as you're doing all this, scrubbing the back of your hands, getting the tips of your fingers, getting your thumb, getting your palm, or what you can do is sing the happy birthday song, or you can sing Miss Davis's song here, but you have to sing it twice. Okay, so while we're washing our hands, we'll sing it twice together. Ready? Trickle, trickle, little stream, half a turn's enough for me. Pump the soap 1 time or 2, rub between my fingers too. Count to 20, then I'm done. Paper towels, I just need 1. And we have to do it one more time. Trickle, trickle, little stream, half a turn's enough for me. Pump the soap 1 time or 2, rub between my fingers too. Count to 20, then I'm done. Paper towels, I just need 1. Then you can be done and rinse your hands. Okay? Alright, now the last line also talks about wasting. Paper towels, I just need one. So this line also talks about wasting. When you get your paper towels, you really just need one paper towel, and it goes a lot farther than you think. So don't throw it away just because it's not dry anymore. Keep drying your hands on that one paper towel so you don't waste it. Maybe you can get 2, definitely don't get 3, okay? That's wasting. If you have a paper towel dispenser at school where you have to pump the paper towels and then you tear it off, you really only need a piece about this big, about the size of your paper towels at home. So you really don't want too much paper towel. You want enough to dry your hands, but you don't want to throw it away just because it's not completely dry. Okay, try not to waste your paper towels, try not to waste your soap, and try not to waste water, as well as making sure that you wash your hands well, okay? Alright guys, I think I have spread enough germs for today. I'm going to go wash my hands. You need to go wash your hands. I'm Miss Davis, and until next time, keep drawing.
Hey guys, I just want to tell everybody have a happy summer. I've had a lot of fun doing these art projects with you guys. Thank you so much for all of the likes and for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed yet, please hit that red subscribe button for me and click like on the video to show me that you want to see more. I will keep uploading art projects to this channel all throughout the summer, although I may not upload on the same schedule I have been. So Miss Davis is going to take a little break next week, but I will be back with some more songs and fun art projects for you guys. So again, hit subscribe so you know whenever I post, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. Miss Davis loves you guys. Keep drawing.